Winter is here, and it's time to make sure your floors are ready for the season. Let's talk about the best flooring options for those chilly months. First up, carpet. It's soft, warm, and perfect for keeping your feet cozy as you snuggle up by the fire. Plus, it adds a touch of comfort to any room. If you love the look of hardwood, consider adding a stylish area rug. It'll add warmth and protect your floors from winter's chill. Whatever flooring you choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle and keeps you warm during the winter months. Stay cozy and enjoy the season. Feel free to adjust the scenes and details to better match your specific flooring options or store branding. Get 5% off by using the code GARY5%. Take advantage of a generous 5% discount on orders over $1,000 when you use the code GARY5% at checkout. This exclusive offer is too good to pass up. Come join us on this exciting journey through Genix flooring. Let's explore and express ourselves with Genix flooring. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. For more flooring inspiration, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay connected.